Meta and Microsoft just announced they're releasing their new open-source AI model, Llama2. This model is being hailed as the best open-source language model available, and in some cases it is claimed to outperform GPT 3.5, which is the default GPT model. But what makes Llama2 better? In this video, we will explore all these aspects. So grab your favorite snack, sit back, and let's get started. So let's understand why this is huge. According to the introduction in the research paper, there have been public releases of pre-trained LLMs, or large language models, such as Bloom, Llama1, and Falcon, that match the performance of closed pre-trained competitors like GPT-3 and Chinchilla. The big thing we want to understand here is between models that are open, which you can download and build on, versus models that are closed. With closed models, you use a link where you can use the model on their servers, but you can't download the code and build on it. But none of these models are suitable substitutes for closed product LLMs, such as ChatGPT, Bard, and Claude. These closed product LLMs are heavily fine-tuned to align with human preferences, which greatly enhances their usability and safety. Now, this fine-tuning process has been very costly, with some models relying on extensive data gathering and feedback from human raters, then taking that data and feeding it back into the model. So Llama2 is offering a highly capable model, and we get a variation that has been optimized by humans. The two models that Meta and Microsoft released are Llama2 and Llama2 Chat. Llama2 Chat is the one that has that feedback by humans we just talked about. And these models come in 3 variations with 7 billion, 13 billion, and 70 billion parameters. The most significant advantage of Llama2 is that it is free for both research and commercial use. This means that companies can build on this model without the need to pay for GPT-4 API access. This is a big deal because we're getting the power of ChatGPT, but now we can build on top of it. Kind of like creating Tony Stark's Jarvis.
That's what's up. This each heads-up display.
Check.
All right, what do you say?
I have indeed been uploaded, sir. We're online and ready.
We start the virtual walk-around?
Importing preferences and calibrating.
So let's talk about the safety aspect with this. This is the safest LLM right now. When we look at the research, they ran around 2,000 evil prompts, and the lower the percentage, the less information given out. Now, ChatGPT was very well known for not giving out much, but here on the scale it's at about 6%, and the Llama2 70 billion chat model is roughly 4%. At the point of recording this demo, we asked Llama2 to tell us a joke, and it said, "I cannot generate inappropriate or offensive content." So yes, this model is very safe, which is great for businesses. Both GPT-4 and Llama2 are LLMs trained on massive datasets, but let's look at what sets them apart. When it comes to benchmarks, there's a set of academic benchmarks that are probably the most interesting to look at, especially for consumers. The Llama 70 billion model outperforms the other open-source models in many benchmarks, from reading to math. Here we have the names of the different benchmark models. You also have to also consider that all of these are closed except for Llama2, but the results are still pretty good. Now GPT-4 still is our champ, OpenAI's most advanced model to date, but let's compare it to GPT 3.5, the default GPT. So when we look at these results, 70 and 68.9, then 57.1 and 56.8, and then this last one is super far apart. But this benchmark is for code generation, and realistically you're not going to use Llama2 for coding. It also has a cutoff date at September 2022, with fine-tuning data going all the way up to July 2023, giving it an extra year of knowledge compared to GPT 3.5. Let's talk about challenging tasks. As we mentioned, GPT-4 excels here. With its massive parameter size and longer context understanding, it can handle complex language tasks and provide more accurate responses. Llama2 stands out by generating high-quality texts in just a matter of seconds, and by utilizing fewer computational resources compared to other LLMs. Efficiency and user-friendliness. Llama2 takes the lead here. Its fast computation time and lower resource usage make it an attractive choice for those seeking quick and reliable text generation. On the other hand, GPT-4's feature-rich architecture may require more computational resources, but it makes up for it with its adaptability and versatility. If you're interested to see how Llama2 and GPT-4 stack up against each other, check out this graph. It highlights the key factors setting these guys apart, and feel free to pause the video. So which model is the best for you? Choosing ultimately depends on your specific needs. For developers and builders, Llama2 is a game changer that can be downloaded and integrated into various applications. It may not match GPT-4's prowess when it comes to handling difficult tasks, but it excels in other language-related applications. The winner here is really the AI community. These language models are pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve, and it's thrilling to witness their growth. This is transforming the way we interact with AI and shaping a promising future for technology. The decision lies with you, and we hope this comparison helped you become more informed. That's all for now. Thanks for joining us as we watch GPT and Llama fight it out in the world of Web3. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content from the world of crypto and AI. Let us know in the comments which AI model you're rooting for, and share your thoughts. From the DevLoft team here, stay curious and keep exploring.